Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload and edit old resume in Canva. For example, I have this resume right here and I would like to upload and edit it. All I'll need to do is go onto Canva. Once on Canva, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option. From there, you can select templates. Then you could type in, for example, resume. So I'll do that real quick. After you have typed in resume, you'll select resume right here. Then you can select create blank. After you have tapped on create blank, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select uploads. From there, you're going to tap on upload file and you're just going to drag and place the old resume. So let me do that real quick. So I'll drag and place my old resume right there. After you have added your resume, you're going to tap on it to automatically add it to the page. So you can see that it has been added right there. Once the resume has been added, what I would recommend you do is go down to the bottom right hand corner, pull on the slider so that it zooms in. Once it has zoomed in, you'll be able to easily edit your resume. So you can adjust your resume to your liking, as you can see right here. So I can carry this up to the top and you can see how it looks right there. Then I can tap on any section and I can quickly edit the section. So even if your resume is a PDF, which more than likely it will be, you'll be able to edit it on Canva so you can make any changes you want. Once you're finished, by the way, I could go over to the left hand menu option and I could change the image for example sake. So let's say for example I would like to replace the image. I can drag and replace the image, I can replace the text and so on. You can change the text and so on. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on share. Then you're going to tap on download and you'll download it. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.